Welcome back to Archive. Imagine your architectural designs leaping into the future, while others remain stuck in the past. Today, we're diving deep into how Spacemaker's AI can transform your design workflow from obsolete to cutting edge. In today's fast paced architectural world, ignoring AI is like signing your firm's death warrant. Spacemaker is here to change the game. This AI tool is revolutionizing urban design, offering rapid iteration and unmatched optimization. Step 1, get started by setting up your project in Spacemaker. Define your site parameters and watch as AI begins to work its magic, streamlining your initial setup process. Next, harness Spacemaker's AI-driven analysis. It assesses environmental and structural factors that you might overlook, giving you insights that save time and elevate your design. Now, let the AI flex its muscles, generate multiple design iterations rapidly. Witness a spectrum of possibilities that push the boundaries of creativity and functionality. Analyze these AI-generated proposals to select the most optimal designs. This decision-making process is now informed by data, not guesswork, thanks to AI. Finally, refine your chosen designs with AI insights to enhance efficiency and sustainability. This step ensures your project stands out in terms of both aesthetics and environmental impact. With Spacemaker, you're not just keeping up, you're gaining a competitive edge in the architectural world. Download link in description, subscribe for more insights that keep you at the forefront of architectural innovation,